In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your shortcut from this to shake it. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's up, y'all? We're back with another one. I don't know why that shit looks blurry. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So we back. 60 frames a second. I find that sometimes I be having to slow some shit down. So, what we got here, dope panel for the C10. Now, y'all do know I had them other ones that had the holes in them, but that shit ain't gonna work. Two different styles. Didn't want to fool with it, so this how we rocking. Got the left side, right side. First order of business, we gonna have to fucking bust some bitches down. And get the rest of the little parts off of there. Should be just these little screws. They look like they barely on that bitch, but yeah, take that off so we can get that off. Get that painted. Get the little pocket off of this one. This one don't got no pocket, but it's all good. We're just trying to get them black. And then we'll go from there, then we'll get them washed off, wiped down. But yeah. So, as you can see, we got the door panel from the size it fits. It's either gonna be a 10 or an 8. Look like 10 is a lucky winner today, so 10 on that thing, and we're gonna get these off. Alright, so we got this off. It's just old, rusted. We probably gonna replace it and get a black one anyway. I'm gonna try to paint it. But yeah, these here, this has been on there so long to the point where I just broke them off to get them out of control. Now the door panel is bare. We're gonna get the other one, spray it off, and wipe them down. And then we can pretty much get ready to turn them black. Alright, so we got him out here, sprayed him down with some purple powder. I'll let it do his thing for a second, spray him off. Come back, hit him a second time, get ready to transform him. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS7Rock254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LSRod254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Rider or Caprice today. All right, man. So about three coats of the Sim. Doesn't look bad at all. I mean, there's some imperfections right there, but that was just because that's how that shit is made. Well, not made, but that's how it was, and I wasn't gonna body work and damn dope panel, so it's good enough for government work. That's gonna be my new saying, man. Everybody out here building race cars and fucking show cars. I'm just building a project. Good enough for government work, you heard? Yeah, man, she looking good. So I got that light turned on, y'all, so y'all can see the glisten, so y'all can see it. Yes, sir. Alright, let me get this other one done and put it back on. Alright, man, so I just came back. I had to go get pack from my homie. Shout out to Box Chevy World, man. I'll show y'all what I got in another video, man. But these the dope panels painted from ashy to classy. I'm saying, looking pretty damn good. I produced it myself. No runs. Hell, if you didn't know that I fucking painted them, you might not even know that them bitches was black or blue before. Yes, sir. I mean, some little spots in there you can kind of tell, but that's gonna be covered anyway by the gold stuff. So yeah, man, that's gonna wrap this video up. Boom, boom. Dope panels is done for the C10. Got both of them there, and then shit, what's coming up next, man? Something I'm forgetting about. Oh, well, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it the strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Gone.